Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix shutdown option or button is missing here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with Task Manager. So once you have click on it, wait until a new window which is called Task Manager will appear. Where here you need to click on run new task, and the moment you've the click on it you'd be able to see the small window which is called create new task. Okay, so here you need to type a command which is this shutdown space dash r space dash f space dash t space 00. And just have to type it. Simply post this video so that you can take a note or you can take a screenshot of the text. Okay. Once you have typed it here, you need to click this box, create this task with administrative privileges, and click on OK. So the moment you click on OK, your system or your Windows would be automatically restored. Just have to click on OK so that you'd be able to restart your computer. And once you have restarted it, check if your shutdown options or the power options is now appearing or is now there. But let's see if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our second step. Our second step will be we need to run the troubleshooters of our power. How we can do that? At the start icon again, please do a right click and this time you need to click on settings, click on it. The moment you are being redirected here with the settings, you need to proceed on system, which is next to home, place at the left side of the screen. Here you need to scroll down. Okay. And you need to look for troubleshoot. I can see it here, which is next to activation. Click on it where you would be able to see three options. Go with other troubleshooters. Here you need to look for power. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, if you have, just have to click the run option to run the troubleshooters of the power. Okay. So just have to wait until the process will be done. It will take some time, but definitely it will be worth it since it will surely fix your problem. Just have to put a lot of patience with it. Okay. So run the troubleshooters. I'm sure it will be fixed. And once you're done, just have to restart your computer and just have to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, how you can restart your computer, just have to input again this at the create new task in the task manager and you would be able to restart such. Okay, so just have to do again the first step once you have done the troubleshooters. Okay, but let's say if it doesn't fix, then we need to navigate the same process which is here at the start icon. This time you need to go with settings again. Okay, and this time you need to use the search bar or search icon and search for reset this PC. The moment you've typed it, the first result will appear, which is reset this PC itself. Here, you'd be able to be redirected to the system under recovery options. There, you'd be able to see the first one, which you can reset this PC. Just have to click on reset PC, and once you have the click on it, it will opt you to choose two options. I would recommend you to go with keep my files, which it will remove apps and settings, but it will keep your personal files or important data that you have created or that you have saved in your Windows. Click on it and just have to wait until it will get things ready. So here it asks you again to how would you like to reinstall Windows. I would recommend you to go with cloud download, and it would recommend it will ask you to save the more than 4 GB of data. Just have to back up 4 GB of data in your Windows, okay? And once you have the backed it up, once you have ensured that you have a more than 4 GB of data, click on it and it will download and reinstall the Windows. I would recommend you to go with the first, okay? So once you have to click on it, you just have to click on next and wait until the reset, I mean the resetting of your PC will be done. It will take some time, but definitely it will be worth it. Once you're done, there you have that. Just have to check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be fixed, okay? So that's it. That those are the three steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.